If you're installing a Moen pull-down or pull-out kitchen faucet, you may need a hose corral. A hose corral is used when a hose weight gets caught on the sink drain and causes a pull-down or pull-out system to not function properly. It can be installed on any Moen pull-down or pull-out kitchen faucet. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a hose corral on a Moen pull-down kitchen faucet. Follow the same steps for a pull-out faucet. Step 1. Preparation. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using safety glasses and scissors if necessary. Step 2. Attach the clip to the pull-down hose. Simply snap the clip onto the stationary portion of the pull-down hose just above the Quick Connect system. The last step is installing the sleeve. Slide the sleeve over the pull-down hose and weight and up to the clip. Position the hole in the sleeve over the clip and pull down to secure the sleeve in place. If needed, you can shorten the sleeve length with scissors. Congratulations, your job is finished. Installing a hose corral is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. For more information about Moen and our products, please visit moen.com or call Moen Consumer Services.